So primarily objective of this meeting was to develop coordination mechanism with the state police forces so that we can effectively deal with the drug peddlers, drug mafia, drug cartels, and share intelligence with each other. If the criminal operating in Goa is involved somewhere else in Hyderabad, and that would basically strengthen the elimination, so that if he gets bail in a case of Goa, then he would be engaged in the Andhra Pradesh case or Maharashtra case or any other state's case. So this way they will be engaged in this matter, and at the same time there are number of legal processes which needs to be served in other states, like summons, warrants, orders, detention orders, PIT and DPS orders. So we discussed that also, and also various concealment methods. Like a new trend is emerging that drugs are received through parcels and registered AD letters. Certain drugs which are just perforated kind of bloating paper, and they can be sent through a solid packet which can be sent as a parcel. So all these kinds of issues were discussed.
एका राज्यान डार्क वेब वापरून चलपी ड्रग्साच्या धंद्याविषयी माहिती दिल्या. ताचोय खंय नेक्सस मोडपाक उपेग जातलो.
In one of the case studies, one officer mentioned about drug dealing on the darknet. Darknet.
Yeah.
So we have asked for detail so that we can share it with our officers. And it is very difficult to prevent dealings on the darknet because complex digital processes are involved. You are not aware from where the dealing is being done. So you have to do lot of backward work, go through the digital routers.
But any such case has been
There was one case, darknet case, where one
Goa.
officer belongs to a particular state. So we have requested them to share so that we can also develop intelligence.
प्रुडेंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.